I wake up at 6 o'clock. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I make my bed. I make my bed. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a shower. I take a shower. I get dressed. I get dressed. I have breakfast. I have breakfast. I go to work. I go to work. I have a coffee break. I have a coffee break. I answer emails. I answer emails. I attend meetings. I attend meetings. I have lunch. I have lunch. I finish work. I finish work. I go home. I go home. I exercise. I exercise. I have dinner. I have dinner. I watch TV. I watch TV. I go to bed. I go to bed. I fall asleep. I fall asleep. Great job! Today you learned 20 common daily routines in English. Try using these expressions when you talk about your day. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new English lesson. Question for you: what time do you usually wake up? Write your answer in the comments using a complete sentence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!